Southeast. American Indians of the Southeast. The Southeast cultural region reached south from the Ohio Valley to the Gulf of Mexico. It ran east from present-day Texas to the Atlantic Ocean. This territory included river valleys, mountains, coastal plains, and swamps. In both dry and wet areas, the weather was usually hot. Many tribes, such as the Creeks and the Choctaws, lived in the Southeast cultural region. In the 1700s, the Seminoles came to live in the Everglades swamplands of southern Florida. These swamps are very hot and steamy. Shallow streams crisscross the land and tall razor-sharp sawgrass rises from the waters. Giant ferns, cypress, and palmetto trees grow in the humid jungle. Deer roam the forest and fish, alligators, and snakes lurk in the swampy waters. Several American Indian groups, mostly Creeks, lived in what are now Georgia and Alabama. In the 1700s, members of these tribes moved south into Florida, which was under Spanish rule. Over time, people from other tribes arrived, and this group became the Seminoles. In the 1800s, escaped slaves from the United States also joined this tribe. The Seminoles had a culture suited to swamplands. They built their homes, called chickees, on wooden platforms 3 feet above the ground. Wooden posts supported a slanted roof made of palm tree leaves. To allow breezes to blow through, the chickee had no walls, which was a good design for the hot climate. The swampy environment sometimes forced Seminoles to wear clothing that was unusual for a warm climate. For example, to protect their legs from sharp sawgrass and mosquitoes, Seminoles wore leggings made out of deer hides. To move along the shallow streams, the Seminoles built flat-bottomed dugout canoes from tree logs. They hollowed out with stone and bone scrapers.